This is like America's Funniest Home Videos level.
A few years ago, 9 University started out as two guys building an Amazon business selling cornhole lights and talking about it in front of a camera in a 300 square foot studio apartment. Now it's an organization with 150 plus people on payroll featured in the likes of Forbes, Business Insider, Sourcing Journal, and more. 9 University is a team, and we have to share what we know with the world, with you. It's not about what we offer, it's about gaining knowledge and expertise from real people, building real businesses that you can apply to yourself. Let's freaking get it. 9 University. It's who we are.
What is up, YouTube? Thomas Hyatt back at it again, and we got my man John here. He runs Honey Badger Boost, which is one of our companies here at 9 University. But I just want to start off this video real quick, and guys, please like this video, hit that subscribe button, put that bell notifications, and then leave a comment down below. What are they saying?
Honey Badger.
Honey Badger. Leave that down below, guys, and we would greatly appreciate it. But, John, today we're talking about videos, right? Videos on Amazon, videos on business websites, videos on multiple different things, okay? But today we're going to be focusing a lot on Amazon, right? But today we're just going to start off, right? We just want to start off with asking, why are videos important, okay? So in your knowledge and expertise of being in the video world, why do you think videos are important?
All right, guys. Videos create differentiation, right?
Yep.
Okay, what's the first thing you're trying to do when you're selling a product in your market? You're trying to elevate yourself beyond all those competitors within your market. You're trying to go in front of a relevant consumer base. But you're trying to do it the right way. Right? Anybody can have a video.
That's true.
Everyone has look, iPhone. I don't know if you can zoom in on that or not.
iPhone.
Mine's a little broken. It's okay. It's fine.
Apple, if you want to sponsor us, you can.
Absolutely. Yeah. But anyone can have a video, right? Anyone can have one.
Yeah, for sure.
Doesn't mean it's good.
True.
So a well-executed video.
Well executed.
That'll do the job, right?
Really do.
And that's what we're going for.
Yeah, so basically you want a video to tell a story. You want it to be able, for someone that after they watch a video, you know exactly what that video is talking about, what they're trying to get out of that video, right? It is literally telling a story. It is 1,000 pictures put together to make a story, okay? Now people say a picture's worth 1,000 words. That means that a video is worth 1,000,000 words.
Sounds good to me.
Look at that. That should be a new quote.
That's pretty good.
All right, Thomas Hyatt.
Have to multiply it.
We just trademarked that right there.
Zeros.
I don't know. That's just too much math. But all right, guys. So today that was just the why videos. Okay, why videos are important. Now we're gonna talk about why videos are important on Amazon. All right. Now this is product videos. Okay. There's videos like movies. There's videos, TV shows, YouTube channels like what we're doing. Right. But there's also product videos. Okay.
We're in the world of media right now.
Yeah, world of media. It literally is everywhere. Podcasts are going downhill without video. Like everyone needs video. Okay. And there's this crazy statistic about videos. Right. What are some statistics that deal with video?
Basically, people don't want to have to read too much about what they're doing. They don't want to have to go on a page. They see 13 paragraphs or whatever it is. It's detailed information. Yeah, that's great, and it's great referral, but they want to see something. The way people kind of intake information and the way they remember things, it's way higher when something's visual or it's through your ears, right? I think up to 96% of consumers feel that a well-executed product video helps them make that purchasing decision.
Wow.
So much more.
So 96%.
96%. And a well-executed video could uptake your conversion rate by nearly 100%. I mean, 80% minimum. I mean, you could double your conversion rate.
Yep, for sure.
I mean, literally. I mean, it means so much to the consumer to see something, a well-executed video, whether it's a lifestyle shot, whether it's models actually reenacting something or using the product, right? It's about creating that story, which is what we're doing. That's what you do with video. That's what you do with pictures. And it's telling that story to the consumer and saying, hey, you need this, and this is why. This is how it works. This is everything you need to know about it.
That's really cool. So videos can be used in a lot of different areas, okay? Like we were talking about Amazon, but there's Amazon, there's Shopify, there's eBay, there's Walmart Marketplace, there's landing pages, websites, email funnels, Etsy. There's so many different things that you can put a video on, right? But there's a couple caveats with putting a video on some things, right? So Amazon, for instance, right? You have to be brand registered to be able to put a video about your product on your listing. Now, if you stay to the end of this video, guys, I'm gonna give you a hack on how to get that video onto your listing without even getting your brand registered, okay?
You're gonna want to stay.
You're gonna want to stay. It's fire.
This is a big one.
Now, brand registry, guys, that is you getting a trademark, basically LLC for your company you're selling on Amazon, okay? So being able to get that does give you a lot of perks, which we can get into on a different video from our guy, Chad Lacey. Now, he's going to be putting videos out about brand registry, so keep an eye about those. But I just want to say, guys, seriously, this is so important because, like what John said, is showing a video is so important by just giving them what they should know, okay? And what I mean by that is, if you're using a product, right, you maybe sometimes you don't know how it is used or how big it is in a person's hands. Or if it fits in something, or if it fits on you, if it's clothing, or whatever it is, you just don't know if it's going to work. And so seeing a video makes it so much better because pictures, they don't really give dimensions.
Pictures can be great, But it depends on what you're selling too.
True.
And for a while now, the standard has been photography. It's been pictures. It's been, and it will continue to be a part of the formula. It's going to be an aspect. It's going to be an ingredient that you're stirring in the pot. But the new norm that's elevating people to that next level is the well-executed video.
Yep.
But like I just said, different products, they require different things. Maybe you're selling a rug. There's not what kind of reenactment are we going to create in a lifestyle setting, beautiful model, whatever it may be, all the things we would set up.
Yep.
There's not a lot to storyboard about a rug. It's just, it's an inanimate thing. You just step on it, So in that case, maybe you just want a studio shot. We'll get the cool slider things. We'll zoom in. We'll do all the things. But, we can do different, versions of videos. We're flexible enough to accommodate whatever it is you may be selling.
And like for that rug, for a video, it's a lot easier to make it more interesting because it can go with the way the house looks, right? You can video around the house and then make sure that the rug is the center of attention that you're trying to get, but you're able to show much more that's going on, how it's going to look in lifestyle and all that kind of stuff. And so that's why it's so beneficial.
Exactly.
Now, you say well executed video. I think we should show them a not well executed video.
It won't be hard to find.
Okay, well, we found one very quickly.
We did.
And I just want to show you this, guys, real quick, of how bad some videos can be. Now, we're not judging anyone. We're not saying that this is just terrible, but this is not the quality of work that we believe in here at Honey Badger Boost and 9 University, okay? Right. So just watch this real quick. Let's get it. Hey. So, guys, you can see that this quality is not the greatest. They filmed this not on a high-quality camera. It's blurry. It's on some kind of background that's dirty. You can literally see stuff on that black, whatever it is.
Yeah. So, in the transition, this looks like it's straight out of like the Funniest Home Videos.
Yeah, that was
like the 1999 or something.
Literally filmed on like one of those old Nikon like big things you have to hold.
Something.
One of those old ones, But
be used.
guys, this is a video that we're talking about that is not well executed.
It comes across as homemade.
It does.
It's amateuristic, right?
Which is not the way that Amazon wants to portray themselves. It's not how their website is.
That's
right?
not how you should want to portray yourself.
Not at all. Not a business, anyways.
No,
maybe like 30 years ago that would have been an okay video,
Yeah,
but
in the 90s.
Nowadays, guys, there's so much equipment and so many things that go into making things look great. Like, have you ever seen those videos about how like Domino's makes their pizza look so good in the commercials, right?
Right.
They mix like glue and cheese together to make it look super cheesy, guys. Like, that's the kind of stuff that people are doing nowadays.
You don't want to eat that.
Yeah, like you don't want to.
No.
Glue doesn't taste bad. No, I'm just kidding. But guys, seriously, like that kind of stuff is what you can do now to make video better. And then a huge other thing about video is editing. Like back in the day, people couldn't really edit videos. They could like cut it and all that kind of stuff, but actually going and doing crazy transitions or anything like that, sort of how this person was flipping through transitions. It was a terrible flip, but it was like the blurriness kind of that transition right there. Like you can do that kind of stuff now, but actually make it look better. Okay, and that's just what we want to come across as.
In simplest terms, don't do it yourself.
Yep.
Homemade stuff doesn't look good. There's a reason it's professionals. There's a reason that there are companies that do these things.
Yep, for sure.
That's it.
Now, I just want to show you real quick Honey Badger Boost website. Now, this website is amazing. John himself put it together. It looks great, but I just want to show you real quick that this is how you can put a video on your website. Like I know that this isn't a product picture or product video, but guys, you can use, there's John, look at him, he's so cute. But guys, like seriously, you can use videos like this on the background of your website for your product to show people how it is used, what it's doing, and all of that kind of stuff, okay?
Right.
So like seriously, this is an amazing video. They took a bunch of different shots and was able to put it together, which it's really cool. This is a promo video, which is a little bit different than what a product video is.
It's a creative promo video.
It is really cool. But if you go to this video tab, right, see this, okay? Now this video is way better quality. Just check this out.
Like that music, right?
Yeah,
That's
good.
That 80s feel.
It's good. Now, guys, these are lifestyle models that we are here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, getting these models to be able to use in videos for people like yourself. Now, I'm guessing some of you would be able to tell what product we're trying to sell in this. It's this ball.
Correct.
Look at that.
No, this is just a fun example. You know what I mean? By no means are we only selling fitness equipment. By no means are we only, working with fitness models. But this was a great example of what lifestyle should look like. It's product-centric. Whatever it is you're selling, it's at the center of attention. But there are other things going on. That's life. That's how stuff works. If I'm selling, what's a random product? I don't know, a can opener. You want to see someone holding the can opener, opening the can.
Yeah, dude. Why not? Like, why not?
That's what you need.
But seriously, guys, like these videos are fantastic. I love what our video team has done to be able to do this kind of stuff. I love this video. This is one of my favorite ones.
Just a fun
I love this video. Like, look at that quality, guys. Like, can you tell the quality difference in this video and the video that we showed you on an Amazon listing?
I picked up this music.
I like this song.
More down my alley.
Yeah, this is great. You guys, seriously, like, yes, we were able to get a model for this, but it's not using that model for like full face and full body picture, right? This is just them just using the product and showing you how it's used. Now, I think that is such a great video because it is just showing you how the product is used, and it is just focused in on that one product. It's not giving you random things that aren't coming with that product, guys. Like, there's a lot of times people see videos and they're like, maybe it's a video of a pillow, but then they're like,
sometimes you
viewing
watch something, you don't even know what it's about.
Yeah, yeah, and they,
that's
like,
a big mistake.
they like have a pillow and then they change it to like the living room with the rest of the couch and all that, and you're like, what are they selling, right? And so that's why video is so good about making sure it is executing the same exact thing that they should be, okay? All right, guys, so I want to talk to you about the hack that I talked about in the beginning, okay, of how to get a video on your Amazon listing without getting brand registered. Now, this might or may not be against like Amazon TOS, but we're not talking to them about that, okay? But I just want to say that what you can do is you can get a video made for your product, right? And then you can go onto places like Fiverr or other different websites that have basically different jobs that you can get from people, right? And what it is you pay them to go and leave this video as a review on your product. Now, you might be like, well, what do you mean? What do you mean by that? So you literally go and you hire someone, you give them this video that Honey Badger or some other company created for your products, and they literally go and leave it as a review for your product.
And there it is.
That's it.
It's there.
It's literally it. So
simple.
if you go onto Fiverr.com and you type in Amazon review video or video review or whatever it is, go type that in the Fiverr, guys. And this is work, guys. I've seen it happen before that people will go and leave video reviews, and it is on your listing. When people scroll down to see the reviews, which everyone does, they're going to see that video and it's literally going to be the first thing they click on.
I mean, reviews. What you're shopping, something looks similar to something else. What do you look at? Reviews.
Yeah. 100%.
100%.
Reviews.
Right where their ads go.
Yep. But guys, seriously, that is one of the greatest hacks we can tell you to do to get a video on your listing without being brand registered. But I just want to say, guys, this was John from Honey Badger Boost. He's killing the game. Videos are so important for your business, guys. You can go on websites, email funnels, Amazon, whatever it is, guys. There's so many different things that you can use video for. So be on the lookout for Honey Badger Boost, guys, because it's blowing up, and we are going to be creating content for a lot of people out there in this world.
Big stuff.
Love you guys. We'll see you next week.